Okay, we will calculate the confidence interval using Excel. I already entered the data in the Excel. We have 18 data. So the fat represent for X and the calories represent for the Y. Now we want to first click on data and then data analysis. We will choose regression and then click OK. In the first box, we need to input the Y range. We will input the number of the Y. And the second box, we need to input the X range. The confidence interval is 95% right here. And then we need to give the output option. For example, in this case, I do the new workbook. If you want, you can get the residual plot. And then we click on OK. Okay, we got the residual plot right here. Now we have the data. I want to make the width bigger a little bit so that we can read the data. In the bottom, it gives us the residual. In the case that you are using the manually work, then you need this table. I will explain this table in another video. So now we go on the top. This slide is important. So the one that you are looking for is the lower and the upper. The lower value will be 4.81819 and so on. And the upper is 6.46048. If you want to know more, then look at this number. This number is 0.8734907. So that is the standard error, SB.